Hi everyone, this is Divyashri. Welcome back to my channel. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now we'll learn how to draw a cute boy in an easy way. Let's begin the drawing with a square. Now we'll draw the boy's face based on the square shape we have drawn. Draw the neck. Now we'll draw the hair. Draw the ears. Start drawing the t-shirt. Draw a straight line to make the wall. Now we'll draw the hands. Draw the other hand. Divide the face part using two lines. Start drawing the eyes. Draw the nose. Draw the mouth. Now we'll draw the specs. Draw the eyebrows. Draw the wall. Once you complete the drawing, start outlining it using a stick pen or a sketch pen. Erase the pencil marks. Take skin color and start coloring the face, neck and hands. Take yellow and color the eye part. Take orange and shade over the yellow part. Now take black and fill the pupil. Color the specs using black color. Take red color and color the mouth. Take brown color and fill the hair part. Here I am using brown color, you can use black also. Take black color and shade the hair part as I am doing in the video. Take yellow and color the t-shirt. Now take violet color and fill the remaining part. Take brown color and fill the wall. Take black and shade on the wall. So I hope you have learned how to draw a cute boy in an easy way.